Eat this. One food and regain. Leg strength in just 12 hours, backed by science. Leg weakness is not always about age. Some people wake up one day and realize stairs feel heavier, standing up takes effort, and balance feels off. Here is the shocking part most people never hear. Muscle strength can start dropping within hours when the body is missing the right nutrients. Not weeks, not years, hours. And science shows that certain foods can flip that switch back faster than most workouts ever could. This is not about magic. This is about biology doing what it is designed to do when it finally gets what it needs. If leg strength feels like it disappeared overnight, there is a reason for that. And there is one food that starts reversing it surprisingly fast. Eggs. This food looks ordinary, almost boring, but inside it is one of the most efficient muscle repair tools nature ever created. Eggs contain leucine, an amino acid that directly signals muscle fibers to start rebuilding themselves. When leg muscles feel weak, it is often not because they are gone, but because the signal to repair them is missing. Eggs deliver that signal fast. Studies show muscle protein synthesis increases within a few hours after eating eggs, especially when consumed whole instead of just egg whites. The yolk matters more than most people realize. It contains fat-soluble nutrients that help muscles actually absorb what they need. Some people worry eggs are too simple to matter, but simple is exactly why they work. The body recognizes them immediately and gets to work without delay. When legs feel heavy or shaky, this is one of the fastest nutritional resets available. Greek yogurt. Weak legs are often not just about muscle, but about how muscles communicate with the nervous system. Greek yogurt quietly supports both. It delivers high-quality protein plus calcium and probiotics that improve muscle contraction efficiency. That matters because strength is not just size, it is coordination. Research shows fermented dairy can improve muscle function and recovery speed, especially in lower body muscles that handle constant load. There is also a hydration factor people overlook. Yogurt helps maintain electrolyte balance, which directly affects how strongly muscles fire. Ever notice legs feeling weaker when dehydrated? This is why. Greek yogurt works from multiple angles at once, and the effect is often felt quicker than expected, especially when legs feel tired without obvious reason. Salmon. This is where inflammation enters the conversation. Weakness is often not weakness at all. It is inflammation blocking proper muscle activation. Salmon brings omega-3 fatty acids that reduce muscle inflammation and improve blood flow to the legs. Better blood flow means more oxygen. More oxygen means muscles wake up. Research shows omega-3 intake can improve muscle strength output within the same day by improving neuromuscular signaling. That means the muscle and brain talk better. Legs stop feeling delayed or sluggish. This is especially noticeable when standing up, walking, or climbing stairs. Salmon also provides vitamin D, which plays a role in muscle contraction. Many people are low without knowing it, and legs are usually the first to complain. Bananas. Sometimes leg weakness has nothing to do with muscle damage at all. It is electrical. Muscles run on potassium. When potassium drops, muscle firing becomes weaker and slower. Bananas restore that quickly. Within hours, potassium levels can normalize enough to improve muscle responsiveness. This is why athletes reach for bananas mid-activity. It is not tradition, it is chemistry. Legs that feel shaky, tight, or crampy often respond fast once potassium is restored. There is also a glucose component. Muscles need quick energy to perform. Bananas deliver fuel that muscles can actually use immediately, not later, not tomorrow, but now. Spinach. This one works quietly, but deeply. Spinach contains nitrates that improve nitric oxide production in the body. That means wider blood vessels and more oxygen-reaching leg muscles. Studies show nitrate-rich foods can enhance lower body strength and endurance in a matter of hours. Spinach also delivers magnesium, which helps muscles relax and contract properly. Weakness often feels like heaviness or stiffness. Magnesium helps resolve that. Some people underestimate leafy greens because they do not feel dramatic. but the effect shows up in smoother movement, easier walking, and legs that stop feeling like they are dragging behind the body. Lentils. Protein alone does not rebuild muscle unless iron is present. Lentils bring both. Iron supports oxygen delivery to muscles, and without oxygen, strength drops fast. This is why low iron often feels like leg fatigue first. Lentils also provide slow-release carbohydrates that keep muscles fueled without crashes. That matters because muscles that run out of energy stop firing fully. Lentils stabilize that process. People often notice less leg tiredness later in the day after adding them, especially when weakness shows up without intense activity. Beetroot. This food does something unusual. It improves muscle efficiency. Beetroot increases nitric oxide levels similar to spinach, but with a more noticeable effect on endurance and power output. Research shows beetroot can improve muscle performance within hours, not days. That is why it is used before physical activity. Legs feel more responsive, less heavy, and more capable. It does not build muscle directly. It makes existing muscle work better. When legs feel weak despite rest, efficiency is often the missing piece. Chicken muscles need raw material. Chicken delivers highly bioavailable protein that the body uses quickly. What makes chicken stand out is how efficiently it supports muscle repair without overwhelming digestion. That matters when weakness feels sudden. The body does not have time for complicated digestion. Chicken also contains B vitamins that support nerve signaling to muscles. Weakness is often partly neurological. When nerve signals improve, strength feels like it comes back faster than expected. Sweet potatoes. Leg muscles rely heavily on glycogen. When glycogen is low, strength drops sharply. Sweet potatoes refill glycogen stores while also providing potassium and antioxidants. This combination supports both power and recovery. People often confuse fatigue with weakness, but the two overlap heavily in the legs. Sweet potatoes address both sides. Strength improves because muscles are no longer running on empty. Pumpkin seeds. This is a small food with a big impact. Pumpkin seeds provide magnesium, zinc, and healthy fats that support muscle contraction and testosterone production. Zinc plays a role in muscle repair and strength signaling. Magnesium supports relaxation and proper firing. Together, they create smoother, stronger movement. This food is especially helpful when leg weakness feels paired with stiffness or nighttime cramps. The effect is subtle but real, and often noticed within the same day. Leg strength is not lost overnight, and it rarely comes back by accident. It comes back when the body finally receives what it has been asking for. Food is not just fuel, it is information. And the right information tells muscles to wake up, reconnect, and rebuild. If this helped clarify what might be happening inside the body, support the channel by liking the video so more people can learn this. Subscribe to stay updated with simple science that actually improves daily life. And drop a comment sharing which food surprised you the most or what topic should be broken down next.